My business started working with Yassine, and he put us on the map. You cannot ask for more than that, as also being ranked in the top 3 positions on Google Map. I'm Timothy Seals. I'm the owner of Seals Electric, located in Laurel, Maryland. In my experience, Yassine has been very responsive, and I haven't not received that from any other social media marketing. He's been very knowledgeable and letting me know what things that we need to do and things that we should not do. Yassine is a great person. I love working with him, and I look forward to the future and seeing how much more we can accomplish together.